You guys, I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Hopefully you practice like I said 5 times this week, and now you're comfortable with the step. All right, you guys, if you didn't get the first half, if you're just coming across this video through YouTube search or something, up here I'll put a link, a video link to where you can learn the first half of this dance, okay? But right now we're going to get right to the new part, intermediate tap dancers. So let's see, the last part you got was Okay, so your weight is here. Now we're going to have step, 3 heels. I might be lying. Yep, I'm not lying. Step, 1, 2, 3. Then flap, or slap, but put your weight on it. So flap, see I'm leaning that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ready? And step, 1, 2, 3, flap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. Step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, stamp. Bring it close, okay? Same thing, other side. Step, 1, 2, 3, slap, flap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel, step. All right, let's put that together. I'm going to face the back. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Dancers. All right, if you need to practice that, take the video back and practice, and then join us back here when you're ready. Next part for those who have what I just did already. Okay, so you just ended here with your You just ended here. You're gonna pick this foot right back up. So this is not a stamp where your weight is on it. This is just a stomp, okay? Your foot stays on the floor, but you can move it, okay? So we just did our stomp. Now we're gonna go brush back, 2 heels. Brush, heel, heel. Brush forward, 2 heels. Brush, heel, heel. Brush back, 2 heels. Brush, heel, heel, and a stamp. Okay? Let me make sure I'm not lying. Yeah! All right, take it with me. 1, 2, here we go. Brush. Good. If you need to balance, you can cheat a little bit, but you shouldn't have to. But if you need to, hold on to a chair or something. Bring a chair close. All right, let's take it again. Ready, and brush. Okay? Again. Ready, and brush. Juicy. Ready, and brush. All right, you guys, good. So you're here, right? Let's get the next step. You ended here. We're going to have, I'll show you first and then I'll break it down for you. Okay? Good. On your left leg, you're going to go. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, lap. Okay? 2, 3, and stamp, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, lap. Okay? Here we go. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, step, lap. Here we go. Left foot. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball, change. Okay? Here we go. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball, change. Shuffle, stamp, lap. Okay? Your weight is there. That's why I'm saying lap. It's not a slap. You're not back here. It's here because we're going to go next. Lap. And then running for laps. Shuffle, ball, change. Okay? Let's see. Stamp, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, stamp, ball, change, lap, running for laps, shuffle, ball, change, okay, good, good, good. Take it with me from here. I'm so proud of you, all right? If you need to practice that, go ahead, pause this, take the video back, play it a few times, hit that little tool thing if you need to make it slower if you need, and then come back and join us as we do the whole thing together, okay? So let's put the whole combination together, including what we learned the previous week in the other video. If you did not learn that, then go ahead and just click that little, I'll put a link in this video where you can go and learn the first part and then come back and join us here, okay? I love you guys so much. Number one Hoofer is in you. It's your heart. It's your desire to be the best. So let's get it, y'all. Okay, from the top. Left foot. 1, 2. Here we go. Hey, good job, you guys. Facing the back. 1, 2. Proud of you. Number one, dear hearts, by putting in the work and doing that extra work when everyone else is not, okay? I love you so much. You are the best, period, all right? Make sure you practice this video 5 times this week, okay? And then next week, I'll have something cute and different for you guys to join in on, all right? I love you so much. Love yourself. Love everyone. Charon Tap Star out. Remember, no one starts at number one. You have to work for it. Number one Hoofers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.